Hi everybody, welcome back to Hairology with Kellie Carroll, and I'm Kellie. Today I'm going to be explaining to you, basically for the beginners and maybe for those that have never even touched a pair of clippers before, but you always wondered what it's all about. This is your Wahl Essential Combo Set. These come in our kits here at the Technical College, and this is what we use to teach our students the basic intros to clipper cutting. So today I'm going to be explaining to you how to attach the guards, how to clean your clippers, and what everything means with the Wahl Essential Clipper Combo Set. So stay tuned. So first of all, your intro to your Wahl clipper kit is going to be in this nice little handy black carry-on bag, which makes it nice to keep all of your essentials in place. You're going to have pouches that are on the side here that hold your clipper oil, your cleaning brush, your instructions, and then on this side you're going to have your package of your guards, and you're going to have your big clipper and your small trimmer. Okay, so we're going to start off with what comes in your kit. The Basic Essentials Combo Kit for Wahl comes with the clippers, which are the Wahl 2000 taper clippers. And then it also comes with 6 attachments, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Each attachment leaves a certain length of hair when you attach it to your clippers. For example, each attachment has a number in the center. It has a fractional number of how much hair it leaves on the head, and then it's converted over into millimeters over here. For example, the number 2 is going to leave 1/4 inch of hair, if you can see that. Each one will tell you that. The number 8 leaves an inch, and so on. So what you're going to do is your clippers are going to come with this safety guard, plastic safety guard on the top of it. You're going to pop that up. These are nice to store your clippers with. If they're ever dropped, this kind of buffers the ends of those and helps keep the edges from being dull. It's always nice to keep these to store. I know a lot of people do not, but it does help with the life of your clippers. So for example, we are going to be the power button. We're going to be using that. We're going to be using the lever. And then of course just a standard plug-in that you're going to plug into the wall. These are not cordless. When you are applying your attachment, for example, I want to use a number 1 and I want to leave an 1/8 inch of hair. I'm going to pop this onto the back, and you hear that click. Again, you pop this onto the back and you have to hear it click. Then you know that it's steady and ready to use. So then you can just turn your power on and your clippers are ready. If you were using your lever, this lever provides you a 1/2 inch. If you can see how it moves. Moving this lever, watch this. See the blades that moved up back here? I'll do it again. By pushing that lever back, it gains you a 1/2 inch. So for example, this is a number 1 and it leaves an 1/8 inch of hair. If I push this lever back, it makes it a 1 1/2. So that's how you're able to do your nice fades. Remove is just push up and it snaps off. Now this would go into cleaning your clippers, because after you do a haircut, you want to make sure that you've got all the hair, loose hairs, out of the way here, and so that they're not building up. And there's nothing any worse than having clippers that have dark hair in them. You're using them on light hair or vice versa. So you want to make sure that you keep that clean. Your clipper kit is going to come with this little brush and matching oil. This little brush is the perfect size. It goes into the side of your clippers as such. You can whisk for the hair on this side. Get the hair out, brush the hair, brush across the blades, and just remove all that. You can tap them lightly, but do not tap too hard, as you can fracture this, and you do not want to do that or bust your lever. So be sure you're getting the hair out. Once the hair is out, then of course you would clip your top of your oil, and you're going to apply your oil in your clippers. I like to hold them down. When I'm applying my oil, I'm going to go across where the motor meets and the blades move right here. I'm going to go in between there, a drop here, a drop there. Then I'm going to turn them on, and I'm going to let them run about a minute, working all that oil through the blades, and then I'm going to turn it off. And then lay them to dry. If you lay them to dry, you want to be sure before you put them up so that you don't have any chance of any rusting or anything like that. So again, important to have your brush. If your clippers do not come with a brush like this, you can use a small toothbrush or a manicuring brush as a scrubby, just to make sure that you're getting all the loose hair out. After your clippers are dry and you've properly oiled them, then you want to apply your protective attachment and store. Now we're going to talk about your trimmers. The Wahl trimmers are used for your sideburns. They are used for trimming necklines. They can be used to etch designs in. The blade on these are a little smaller. Again, it has its protective cover, which I would keep. It doesn't have any levers. It's just straight in that you're going to touch the skin with, straight in and move down, or to move up. These blades are very tiny, smaller teeth than your regular blades. Power button is right here on the side, and this can be adjusted if your blades start to be a little wonky and they move a little differently. You can adjust it. That's all you need to know for this one. Again, it is not cordless. It has a basic plug. It's not cordless. Cleaning is going to be the same. Your brush and your oil, and you are going to go into the sides just like we did with the big ones. Get all your little hairs out. These will be easier to clean because you do not do a full haircut with these. Oil, oil, oil. Turn them on, let them run a minute, and then lay them to dry. Once they're dry, then you can replace your protective piece on them and store. And there you have it, guys, the ways to use your Essential Wahl Combo Clipper Kit. I hope that you learned some things from this video and that you will continue to keep watching other videos by subscribing to my channel. Please hit the link in the bottom with your subscribe button and the bell because you want to be notified of when I place anything else new up on my channel. Okay, happy clipper cutting. Did you subscribe to my channel yet? Hit subscribe below and hit the notification bell. You do not want to miss any more fun videos about bringing you the essentials of cosmetology from the classroom and into your salons.